sitting in quiet, still tranquility. Sit in peaceful silence, contemplating, drawing that black line, sketching that same piece. Space opening, black, foggy, scary voids. Wonder enters space and walks through my mind, over my body and down my spine, stretching fingers out, tendon reduction. Negotiating layers here somewhere, so vociferous it became odour, and whatever is that delicious scent, so substantially strong I can taste smell. Yes, lavender, French purple lavender, a purple haze, seductive in one sight, but I cannot feel my hands or my feet. Alone at last, watching rivers' beauty, peaceful contemplation, imagining, leading directly to my inner space, seeing the deep shadows through my eyelids, hearing time spiraling onward, around, drifting deeper and further away. Fine. Sounds are getting quieter. Infection. Off with the fairies, high in the atmosphere, migrating the swallows, thrilling home tour. Snap. The spell is broken. I am back. Squint. Out of my range, the steep spiral stairwell. A slow amble, a gentle meander. Random symptoms. Stay honest and forthright. Backache, heavy legs, forever fidget. The purest moments of simplicity. Feeling my blood pumping, my heart beating, watching the birds' flight prolifically ace. Ants crawling under my skin, arachnids. Where are they going, one wonders, profound. Along my nerves to my brain, past my spine, snowflakes like neurons are unique fraction. Dotting the eyes, encircling the square, melting triangles, disconnecting spur, nondescript, transparent drips, deviant. Lines of swirling tightness, knitting wider, black rooms, the only place of relief light. Hugs they call it, a hug of tight pain fret. Stone cold sober, parched upon the sty, intertwined axons, misplacing thoughts, tweaking, mysterious troubling happenstance. Taps on my parts, reverberate steroids, straight down the back links between the deep round, personal cloud of misery, just mine. Stabbing blades of fire pierce my soul ocean. Multiple lines, communication spare, the fog of noise mess suspension for hours. Overstimulation threats meltdownment. Miscomprehended individual. Counting the balls juggled in the thunder, boom, visceral stimulus, all alight. Overwhelmed. Where has my head gone, expert? A line is cut and the world is knotty, dissipating to a point of lightning. A finger prick of pins and needles winks. Parts ice cold to be burning hot hybrids, spreading maleficent wanderings and mountainous journeys over rough terrain, zigzag lines full of anticipation. Mind blank, my friend's name gone, panic severe. Migraneous head monotone flash colour. Fishes swim upstream, fighting the current. I run as fast as the wind counterspell. Words of disbelief overwhelm stockholder, wrapping around tighter, tighter and tight. Why do toads creep under tent mats? Not sweet. tongue hanging dry as can be entity, eyes no longer in my sockets, shifting, dry and scratchy, but watery nice. Long sharp pins embedded in the spheroids, gritty tired vision reveals compound, dancing in my mind's eye, stomping migraine. Thunderbolts scream, slam, bang, bang, eruption. Roots broken result, memories nowhere. Sweet triangle sour, sweet triangle sour. Knots and tangles, twisted tight, repellent. Floaters drift throughout the peripheral. Red mist closing in, all around under. Sitting silently, shut out the sight.